Hey guys, good morning. Around 5:15, 5:30, and we are like about to head to Visakhapatnam. It should be an interesting journey till there. Hopefully the roads, things all goes good. See you guys through the road trip. The road would be like Nellore, Kavali, then I think Guntur, Vijayawada, and after Vijayawada I'm not sure about the places, but after that then I think it's around 400 kilometers, and then you have Visakhapatnam. Yeah, so here we are on the second toll, and it's still within the Tamil Nadu state. 6:30, and the sun is about to come out. Nellore would be around 114. This is basically the NH16, which heads till Kolkata. Like on a pretty good road, pretty decent road. It's something like the Chennai-Bangalore road. I have hit my cruise control, and yeah, cruising at around 80. Yeah, it's good road, so you have time to keep your legs free. Yeah, almost 100 kilometers from Chennai, and yeah, we entered the state of Andhra Pradesh, and the distance from here to Vijayawada is around 350. Around 140 kilometers we have covered, and yeah, there is still more to go. 8 o'clock, yeah. We have covered around 180 kilometers close to. Single chain. Ente? So this toll was around 25 rupees. And still journey continues. Pretty heavy day on the traffic side. We have a lot of trucks. Yeah, so since it's a straight road, I thought let's try out the cruise control, and I'm on the cruise mode, cruising across. We crossed around 320 kilometers, and we are in the next toll. And above this toll, we have a food plaza which is called NH5. It's right above this place. Yeah. And the toll charge is around 65 rupees. The road looks good, interesting. Lot of trucks. Still traveling. The last toll was around 75 rupees, and I think there's some justification for that. The roads are like gorgeous, awesome roads. You can just fly on the roads. Yeah, you have quite a number of trucks. Inboard says to Hyderabad 294, Guntur 85, Bhubaneswar 889. The trip is going good. I'm using the cruise control to the full extent. Maybe on 60s and 80s, you put cruise control and then happily enjoy the drive. So that's a good thing which HEXA has provided, I believe. And you have to be just a bit conscious on the road, and then you are like safe. 80, 90, or anywhere between 60 and 90, hit on the cruise and then slowly increase your speed or decrease. So it's like all done automatically. This is basically the Simhapuri Express Limited Bollapalli Toll Plaza. I think this is one of the best roads which I have ever till now driven. 130 na? Double anta 190 ah. Idu entana kilometer enta kilometer idi aa toll inchi toll 70 ah. Thanks andi. So it's around 130 rupees for a single drive. 85 kilometers to Vijayawada. Here I am in Vijayawada and it's around 11:30. I think I came out of the highway. I'll have to head back. Yeah, maybe the map showed us wrong. I'm not sure, so I'll just figuring out things here. Small lunch, and here there are few breaks in the middle, and then yeah, again fueled the beast. Yeah, and still on the way. So this is how we use the Navi maps, which has an inbuilt maps which comes along HEXA. So it says I'll be reaching home only by 8:15, and I have another 49 kilometers left.
Merge onto National Highway 16.
You halt and all, we are like another 91 kilometers to Visakhapatnam. And on my odometer it says I have covered already 817 kilometers. So still I have, I think I'll cross 900. And the charge in this stall is 100 rupees. Yeah guys, so I have reached Visakhapatnam, and this is the, I think, some port road or something. I see one plane landing there. I think that's the airport. Here we are just crossing the Visakhapatnam railway station. Hey guys, so yesterday we reached only by around 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. and then we all slept off, and it was a tiring day. So this day morning we got up, visited my cousin's place. So we just came out for a small outing, kind of, Here goes the view. So I have come here to Visakhapatnam for meeting the newlywed couple. Here they are. He is Niji and this is Amy. I have come down all the way close to 1,000 kilometers to meet them. Here there is a man standing. Looks original. This is Shivan and Parvati, and this is in Kailashgiri, Visakhapatnam. Good place to hang out. You have a good viewpoint. Yeah, here I'm in this Visakhapatnam beach, and behind me is the submarine museum. I have the aircraft museum. It's a nice time to spend in the evening here. Amy, that's Robin. They're all families. So I happened to meet, one guy who looks similar kind of to, guess who, It's Srinivas. I met him in Visakhapatnam in this marriage function. So I met a YouTuber here. His name is KAM. Link to his YouTube channel in my description. Go there, watch it, understand.
Do subscribe.
Yeah guys, so it's Sunday morning and we have started our trip back to Chennai. Crossed around 20 kilometers and it's a pleasant weather. Yeah guys, so reached Chennai after a couple of stops and all. So now there's less than 15 kilometers
In 400 meters,
to my
keep
home.
right to continue on 100 feet road to Grand Northern Trunk Road.
We both came together. Yeah guys, so finally at home and it's around 12 o'clock. So it was a good journey from Visakhapatnam all the way till Chennai via Rajamandri, Vijayawada, Guntur, Nellore, Chennai. Yeah. And it was a good and safe drive all the way from Visakhapatnam till here, and the kilometer was close to 895. Yeah. So yeah, I just parked my beast inside and about to head home. See you guys all on the next episode or on the next video. And we have some more trips planned. So see you guys. Bye.